How to update email account password on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have recently updated the password for your email account and need to update it on your iPhone, I'm here to show you how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So there are two ways to update your email password on iPhone. So first option is the automatic prompt. So open the mail app on your iPhone, and if your password has been updated, you should see a password required prompt. Simply enter your new password for Gmail, Outlook or whichever email service you are using and you are good to go. And now the second option is to manually update. So if the automatic prompt doesn't show up, you can update the password manually. So to do that, simply open the settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here in the app section, simply scroll through the apps and tap on mail. Now here on the mail section, you can simply tap on your mail account. And after that, under accounts, you simply have to tap on your email account. And here simply tap on account settings and then select SMTP. And if the username and password fields aren't grayed out, you can enter your new password there. But if they are grayed out, the only option is to delete the account and re-add it. So tap on delete account, but don't worry, this won't delete your emails. And after deleting, you can simply tap on add account and select the email service you would like to use. And after that, simply re-enter your new password when prompted and your account will be updated. And once you have done this, your emails, contacts and calendar will sync back to your iPhone and you are all set. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.